Challenge day, challenge boys, okay? Here is what the premise is gonna be. We're gonna go somewhere and you guys can buy whatever you want as long as it fits in the front of the R8.
Oh shit.
Wait, is this with your card?
Maybe. But here's the next catch.
We getting a Nintendo Switch
Nah,
today,
here's the next card. Here's the next card.
Good luck finding
I'm
one.
gonna find one.
I haven't even said where we're going.
Oh shoot.
We're going to Costco. The biggest place of biggest
Yo,
bulk.
Costco got a lot of stuff though.
Hey, yo, we
don't
should
got
find the
30
diameter of
days,
that
so-
and get a TV that's that big.
Hold up, let's open
Why
this
did
shit
you
up,
buy
I
a
got
TV?
Dude, I mean, you could buy one tiny TV and fill up your entire space use out of
What
it.
is our goal, I guess?
I don't know.
How the fuck you open?
There you go.
Wait, I actually.
Let's see.
I forgot how tiny it is.
Ooh.
Oh, well.
We're literally getting like a Switch and like.
Yeah, you guys
mic
can
and-
obviously take that
If
stuff out.
Costco somehow has like a Series X, imagine.
Oh, dude, this is deep. We could actually kind of fit a lot.
Yeah, you could fit. I mean, Costco's
You
got
could get
clothes.
a Switch and a PC.
You get clothes.
Bro, I
You
need
get
a
other
laptop
stuff.
for school, dog.
Oh my god.
Expensive today.
Oh my god.
I think the challenge was
Drake,
not
I feel like you've made a grave mistake.
Oh boy. Yeah, this one's gonna hurt. This one is gonna hurt. Oh dang, he even taken the first aid pack out of here too? I don't know, you might want to leave that in there, you know? We may have to travel with first aid.
Safety third in this situation.
Safety third. He traveling with
How much
nothing.
crap is in this freaking trunk?
Big, bro. Seriously.
Justin's making sure he maximizes all his space.
We need every square inch.
Yo. He's on the phone. He's on the phone. I got just the perfect thing to do right now. You better end that phone call soon. We about to get loud up in here. I'm the best friend. These guys will get to buy whatever they want at the price of me doing crap like this to them. It really tones down a good amount.
Oh my god. What the heck? Now we're talking. This thing sound like the same car.
Yeah. It lost 2 cylinders just now. It's freaking only firing on 8. Justin hasn't been in this car in a fat minute.
It's fucking nice. I missed it.
Freaking it's been winter time. Even I haven't been in this car in a fat minute. Let's go. Oh shit. And just like that, we're at more than marginal cruising speeds on the freeway.
It's like a roller coaster.
It really does.
So long.
Especially you're going downhill, hit the slopes. We got Bigfoot out with us. Oh my lord, I can't even see the top window of that thing. Dude, literally my head level in the R8 is at the top of the tire. Freaking Bigfoot has never looked so large. That is nuts. I'm surrounded by dinosaurs out here. We got another one. Good lord. We're just a tiny little duckling in a world of freaking raptors. If you were to ask me, truthfully, I think these two are my favorite cars. Just right there. It really doesn't get better than that. I mean, the other cars are clearly gonna cause the least of issues for me, but they're also gonna be probably the cars that deplete my wallet the most. So it's a balance of the two, but no issues is no bad days. No bad days is good cars. We ready to go frickin' fill up a frunk?
Let's do it.
Let's go.
As always, don't forget to check out the UltraMotive Shop for the latest merchandise. We have new drops on youth merch items, so if you are in the younger youth sizes, go check those out. With $55, you get free domestic shipping, as well as $10 international shipping. Go peep the shop. Zach's got the cart.
Yo.
Okay, now that we're in, I'm gonna present to you the last catch. I'm gonna set a 5-minute countdown timer. You guys got 5 minutes on here, beginning now. I am dead serious. They are running around. Dude, I'm scared. I'm actually, I didn't really like in-depthly look and see what's all for sale in Costco, and I know they got a lot. So,
Work through Costco, so I don't know.
oh boy, we're losing him. They're on the move so quick. Oh boy. Zach is on the move. Where are they going? Where did they go?
I don't know.
I'm following you. You're the cart man. You're getting. Oh, you're getting. You're going to the muffins, dude. Smart man. I will take it. Yeah, all the bakery goods are over here. I'm scared. Justin and Lance just disappeared.
Yeah, I don't know where they went. My first item?
Yeah. Hey, I'm just saying, you know, maybe you want to get 5 more of those, you know, just putting it out there. Dude, I totally just encouraged him to get more muffins because those are big and they take up space. Dude, they need to find you if they want to freaking get their stuff because you guys actually you have 2.5 minutes left.
Time is already gone.
Yeah.
Well, I got mine.
All right, go. That's all that we gotten so far. Yo, go in. You got clothes. You got clothes.
You know what? I need socks.
All right, yeah, you got 2 minutes worth of clothes. Any clothes you want in here. Costco's got all the clothes. Dude, we could get another one. Don't know where we're gonna put it. All the rooms are pretty much filled. Dude, he doesn't even have time to look at the sizing. Where did freaking Justin and Lance go? Oh, there they are. What'd you guys get? Where are the GoPros?
You have to like show them to the people and then they give it to you, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So this is our temporary GoPro for the moment.
Okay, doesn't look like a real one to me. Oh, timer check.
Oh, we still got time.
I mean, you still got time. You thought it was Dude, you guys gotta clothes. Any clothes, dude. Any clothes.
It's hard to shop for clothes when you have 1 minute.
This is all for women.
Dude, they got a lot of XL stuff. You sure you don't want anything?
Yo, there's like a.
You said you only have one. You said you only had like 2 hoodies right now.
Yeah, but I doubt they have anything on my side.
Bro.
Bro, at least maybe get some like fruit by the foot or something over here.
Fruit by the foot?
Yeah. They only have 1 minute left.
Nasty.
What? What is this?
It's a tracksuit.
2XL.
I would have been there.
How do you not fit in a 2XL?
Because I'm fat.
I'll just get this.
Oh, he's got more clothes.
Is there one in like large?
Bro, I'm trying to freaking find some fruit by the foot. Oh, I found them. The boxes are located. Yeah. We got 13 seconds. Oh. Perfect timing.
I got Teez-Its.
There you go. Okay, this is really anticlimactic, I swear. Okay, it's literally about to run out. It's literally about to run out. There's the freaking timer, and we are done. But I'll let the boys, whatever they have in their hands, count. Are you guys trying to get your GoPros?
Well, I asked if they have Nintendo Switches.
Oh, you asked for it. Your time's up, by the way, so I don't know.
I have them on order right now. Do you want me to put it in the calculator?
No, that's fine.
How much is one of these?
I don't know. I don't know, but it's about to hurt your bank account probably.
Can you guys just get the cardboard? You guys can put your clothes in there. 503. Oh, awesome.
Hi, how are you guys doing?
Good.
Awesome. Did you guys find everything you were looking for?
Yeah.
Yep.
All right. You always find stuff at Costco, right?
Yeah, you find a
That's the
lot
way-
of different
That's
things.
the way it goes here.
Open that up right there.
Gotta fit all
It looks a lot smaller than I remember.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo. We got a couple extra stuff. We don't have to worry about this at first. I'm not gonna do you guys dirty like that, but
No shot, all this stuff fits.
we'll put this in here.
Who got Pocky? Me, because it's good.
We got socks.
No, clothes should go on top.
Nah, that works.
That's fine.
Then it condenses it down.
We're not fitting all the
Muffins.
most important part.
If anything, the clothes should be first. Bro, who got two things of
Two joggers.
I did, bro.
Oh, dude, the muffins were the first thing Zach rushed to.
Typical when you get
Alright.
told 5 minutes, go look for whatever you want. You'd run to like the electronics
I
section.
ran
This
to the
dude-
laptop.
This dude ran to the produce.
Bro, I'm thinking materially.
Oh boy. All right.
Different map.
Hang on. We can take this apart. We gotta think outside the box.
That's the box.
Thick.
Okay. Beautiful.
Think it'll fit?
All right, let's see if that closes.
Don't slam it.
I'm not.
I think it might compress.
Yeah, it'll compress.
There you go. There you go. All right, we fit all of our very miscellaneous items. We got muffins, we got joggers, and we got a GoPro in there. Justin admittedly gave up his GoPro because he knew that he's actually just not gonna use it at all, so it saved me a good amount, but yeah, we got one for Lance in there. I just wanted to personally let you know that you're not Suzuka Gray, so you can't park over there. Yeah, stay on this side, plebeian. Are you wondering what's going on? Don't ask.
Oh yeah, we went to Costco.
Buys the truck.
And we totally buys a truck. I was gonna wait for that. Yeah, we didn't really use our truck bed.
There's muffins in there. Feel free.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
On the up front, it looks like we found 3 white Audis, but they are all the exact same color code of Suzuka Gray. Even the RS5 is the coolest thing. Yeah. If we were to do this in the snow, they would be even so much darker. That's the thing.
He's so crazy.
It's always on like the rough black concrete. They look white.
Yeah.
But there's a tint to them. There's a tint.
You can kind of tell.
But it's cool. At least they all seem to have the same sort of tint too. No one's color is off compared to the others. Tom just got this RS5, and the dealer who sold it to him, they didn't even seem to know that it was Suzuka. They just thought it was white. And how many of these were they made in Suzuka?
I think there was like less than 90 or something like that. I forget. There's not good production numbers, but I think you can go on Audi and like request how many were made.
Yeah.
You like send them an email and then they'll email you back. So
Because like that little realization is like quite a fortune of the car, as you can imagine with how rare that is. They couldn't help themselves. They already eaten the muffin.
They came warm too.
Wait, are these chocolate
These
or
are blueberry.
Ooh, yes, let's go.
are there chocolate?
Dude, they're literally warm from, I don't know what heats them up in the front.
These are my
Blueberry is
favorite.
Way better in my opinion.
Yeah, blueberry goes harder.
I got
He
blueberry.
puts it back! He puts it back!
How you gonna do me like that?
Dude, Justin type of guy, you do that at a buffet. You just put the food back in the buffet freaking thing.
They're warm too.
I love, just ignore all of our Charmins. This is why you fill up your frunks. You got groceries on the go and you could eat wherever you please. Tune in for part 2 where we use the bed of the Raptor trunk space next time. Where I freaking go bankrupt.